Contestants, you've worked very hard for the hiring challenge, but now it's time to hear out your mentor's opinion.
Everybody is hopeful, yes, yes, yes. But what was stopping why the person was not hired? You were having ample time. We have suggestions, we have exercises. All of us thinking, we do this, we do that, we give suggestions, but you need a staff. You are going to run the business, right? So if you don't have a staff, how you are going to run it? Who is going to run it for you? Will you manage the business or will you manage the other things? And what was stopping you to apply to MOM and all these things? What was stopping you to hire the person if it was available? Any good reason why you did not hire it?
Most of them were foreigners, and the one who was...
Listen, we are not here to listen the reasons of not doing the job. We want the reason to do the job. So don't give the reason you did this, it doesn't matter. Even if you are walking and running, you didn't catch the flight, you are missed. You understand? If you have any good person whom you want to appoint, why you did not appoint him so far? What was stopping you?
From our side, actually there's nothing wrong. We have got 2 shortlisted candidates. We are just waiting for the last approval from Mr. Gupta.
No, when Mr. Gupta will die, what will happen? Who was stopping you to apply MOM?
Yes.
Will the business stop there?
No sir, it wouldn't.
We given you full powers to decide.
Okay, we apologize.
We didn't want to influence anything.
Okay.
You have to do anything.
Yep.
Whatever you deem fit, you have the choice to advertise, you have the choice to interview, you have the choice to select.
Yep.
We don't want to influence your decision. What we want is a person who work here for 1 month.
Yes sir.
So that we see that this is the right person.
On that note, we are ready to apply for both of them itself. We'll do that later today, after this meeting. Thank you.
Sir, first of all, we want to know from you that is it we have any left quota for foreigners or not for S-Pass? And second thing, if we apply for S-Pass, the criteria is we have to pay $1,800 salary per month. So just I'm waiting for your approval. Is it we are going to give 1,800?
Do you know there might be another chambermaids also working here? If you give to 1,800, how about the rest? How will you justify that? Can you justify that?
That's why we can't justify that. That's why
So
we
it means
just
the job is not done.
no. We just keep in hold for further
No,
approval.
there is nothing to be hold. You have many people working at the same salary. How can you have disparity for the same job? And how can you pay much higher to somebody else?
No, sir. We can hire on less payment, but the thing is how we justify to MOM that we are.
That's not my job. You are supposed to hire a person. That is what you have to figure out. That's the job people does. That's the job you need to run for the business. So you have to figure out a solution. Again, I don't need excuses. Business don't need the reasons. You need a person, you need a person. Were you not having any other choices, local people or other choices?
The second
or
choice,
anything?
what I told you that we have to go for advertisement in Chinese newspaper so we can
So
get.
what was stopping not to do that?
First, actually, because we are what we shortlisted the candidates, they are very ideal and they are actually multitasking. So that's why we thought, why not we?
No, why you are diversifying? You were supposed to hire a person. You were not supposed to hire an all-rounder. Can you think a chambermaid can be a front office supervisor? Has it worked anywhere? Probably it might work with Hello Baby, but it might not work in most of the organizations.
Thank you, contestants. You have quite a bit to work on, and work on it fast. All right? Our contestants were given ample time to complete the hiring challenge. Now, our judges are certainly appreciative of their hard work, but how successful were our contestants? That's a different story altogether. Ultimately, what they've learned is that if they do intend to run a successful business someday, they have to find the right people for the job. It's time for our dreamers to buck up and realize their true ambitions. Right here on the show, Gold Kissed My First Million.
We have just seen them performing their tasks of employing people for our resort, namely chambermaids, cooks, and salespeople for the mini-mart. They did not do well at all. Main reason is that Singaporeans are not keen on doing this type of jobs, and foreigners are difficult to employ because of the quota system. We are looking forward to the government, in their wisdom and experience, to come up with some solutions for us in this industry. However, that does not take away the reason, mainly that they should have tried harder to get Singaporeans and convince them that this is an ideal place for them to work. Thank you.